Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing your phone, enable developer options, and turn on USB debugging so ADB can talk. Next, install Termux or a terminal emulator and obtain an ADB-capable binary or ADB app. This is the key part. If you have root, choose an ADB Insecure or Magisk ADB module. If not, plan to use a second Android as a host via OTG or Wi-Fi. Once done, verify IP or USB OTG connection so you can run the next commands. Now start the daemon and establish the link. If you have a rooted phone, run ADB as Insecure or launch ADB specifying port 5555 so it listens over TCP. This avoids a PC. Without root, start Termux's ADB binary if available, or attach a second Android as USB host via OTG and run a DB from that device. Once ADB listens, execute a DB connect using the device IP and port. Make sure both devices share the same Wi-Fi or the OTG cable. Finish by running the ADB commands you need. A DB shell for an interactive shell, a DB install to sideload APKs, or a DB pull/push for file transfer. When done, tidy up by running a DB disconnect or killing ADB to restore normal security. If something goes wrong, first confirm IP addresses, ensure USB mode is correct, and reauthorize the debugging prompt on the device. Also check for firewalls, Wi-Fi isolation, or missing root permissions if ADB won't start.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.